In the long run, if a business produces a lot of a good, its average costs should fall. This is called economies of scale, and here are 7 different types. Technical. Businesses can make use of a production line to reduce average costs. This allows workers to specialize and become more productive. Larger businesses can also make use of specialist equipment and machinery and can build bigger factories and warehouses. Purchasing. This is where a business that produces a lot of a good can bulk buy its raw materials. Usually, if you buy a lot of something, you will get a discount per unit. This will decrease average costs. Advertising. Most marketing costs are relatively fixed. A bigger firm spreads these marketing costs over many more sales, so the cost per unit sold is much lower. Big businesses will have established methods of advertising and existing brand awareness, so they don't need to invest as much per good sold. They may also have a marketing department instead of smaller business, which has to pay more to hire an external marketing company to create their adverts for them. Managerial economies of scale is where businesses can get specialist managers for each aspect of the business. A small firm may have one owner who does lots of different things, whereas a big firm can have a different manager for finance, procurement, production, and so on. These will be specialists in their field, so they're more effective at what they do. Also, if you double production, you also probably don't need to hire twice as many managers. This means the cost of manager per unit produced is lower, again reducing average costs. Risk-bearing economies are where larger firms are more able to take risks and expand into new markets and locations, because their size means they can absorb the losses if this venture doesn't succeed. Expansion will make the business more diversified. If demand drops for one product, they will likely have other products that still have strong demand. This means revenues and profits are more predictable, whereas smaller businesses have to spend time and money ensuring they continue to be profitable. Financial economies are where bigger businesses can also usually borrow money at a lower interest rate. This is because they're more likely to be able to repay their loans, so banks see them as being less risky. There is thus a lower average cost for obtaining finance for larger companies. The final economy of scale is going to be external. Very big businesses can also benefit from changes outside of the firm. For example, if a big employer set up in a certain area, the government may invest in infrastructure such as transport around the business in order to help people get to these jobs. Suppliers may also decide to locate near a company that buys its products, reducing delivery costs. Local colleges may decide to offer qualifications related to the big business because that will help its students to get jobs there. The business then benefits from a better local workforce and reduced training costs. That's all for this video, so leave a like if you found it interesting and check out this video for 7 common behavioural biases.